Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove copper wire safely and efficiently. First, prioritize your safety by always wearing protective gear such as safety glasses and sturdy gloves. Before touching any electrical wiring, confirm that the power supply is completely disconnected to prevent any accidents. Having the right tools, like a good pair of wire strippers and cutters, will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Once safety is assured, it's time to prepare your copper wire for removal. Begin by cutting the wire into lengths that are easy to handle, perhaps between 12 and 24 inches. This makes the next steps much simpler. Next, sort your wires, separating solid core from stranded types, as they might require slightly different handling. Finally, carefully remove any outer insulation or sheathing to expose the inner wires. Now, let's get to stripping the insulation from the copper. Select a wire stripper that matches the gauge of your wire. Carefully score the insulation, making sure not to cut into the valuable copper underneath. A good stripper will allow you to adjust for different wire thicknesses. With a firm and steady pull, the insulation should slide right off, revealing the clean copper core. Repeat this for all your prepared wires. After stripping all the insulation, gather your clean copper wire into a dedicated container. This keeps your workspace tidy and the copper organized. Remember to properly dispose of all the insulation and other waste materials according to local regulations. Finally, consider taking your collected copper to a recycling center. Copper often has a good monetary value, making this effort worthwhile and environmentally friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.